Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to mention someone on Instagram story without showing them. So let's get started. First things first, open Instagram and head to your story creator. Take a photo, shoot a video or upload content from your gallery, whatever you want to share. Next, tap the AA text tool at the top right or the sticker icon and then the @mention sticker. Type out the @ symbol followed by the username of the person you want to mention. Make sure to select their correct profile from the suggestions. Now here's the trick. Once the mention is on your screen, tap Done to exit the text editing mode. Now pinch the mention with 2 fingers and shrink it down as small as it can go, almost to a tiny dot. Next, drag that tiny dot all the way to the very edge or corner of your story off screen. And that's it. Remember, even though their name isn't screaming for attention on your story, the person you mentioned will still get a notification that you've tagged them. If you found this trick helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Instagram hacks, and share this video with a friend who needs to know. See you in the next one.